Hi, I'm Felix, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Sales Intelligence feature in your JohaHQ dashboard. The Sales Intelligence feature is otherwise or currently known as the AI workforce. Just in case you can't find it as Sales Intelligence, please note that this is currently known as the AI workforce. This is one feature that helps you to be able to increase your revenue. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So here's the Sales Intelligence feature. I'm going to be doing a rundown of how the sales intelligence feature actually works. So under the feature, you have your agent setup, you have overview, you have your pipeline, you have your catalog, you have invoices, you have sequence, you have insights, you have playbook, you have your settings, and you have your play count. So let's start with our agent setup. Under agent setup, you're going to see your AI credit, how much you currently have left. You are also going to see your AI agent. So this is where you turn off your AI agent. You're going to see an option to either decide to turn it off for your web or your WhatsApp, or for both of them. You're going to see an option for this. As at the time of recording, the option is not here, but before we are done, you're going to see an option to do that. So you can pause it for an hour, 4 hours, 7, 24 hours, whenever you want to. So this is where you give your agent an identity, right? Tell it how you want, the tone to use, the English, and then you save your identity. So here's a system prompt that tells your agent how your agent is going to behave. I'm going to show you how to get this. Then you can give a specific instruction to your agent of what to do, what not to do. So you have the option for a smart AI escalator, or escalation rather. What you do is that you can trigger a human handoff where once a user keyed in a certain phrase, it actually redirects to a human person. So this is where you can also train your agent on certain information that you want the agent to know, such as pricing, customer support, AI credit, broadcast, each individual thing you want your agent to know. Or you can actually script your website to import all those data. So so let me show you how to get your system prompt. So go to playbook. In playbook, you have an option to generate a custom prompt. Put in every information about your business and click on generate system prompt. Automatically it's going to generate a system prompt for your business, and then you can just add it. Or you can preview any of the templates available, make certain adjustments here and there, and apply to your sales AI, and it's going to be applied automatically, and you're going to see it right here. So another thing to note is your overview. So in the overview, you're going to see all the invoices that are sent, the ones collected, all your invoice, the ones sent, the outstanding payment, your average due, and whatnot. So here is where you set your goal, and you can always add how much you want to be making per month. So you can always see your revenue gap here, right? So who is still waiting to make payment, you're going to see them right here, and then you can always open a conversation with that particular user. So you're also going to see your recent chart or your recent lead, and your deal velocity, and every other features that are on the dashboard. So you have here your pipeline. This is where you drag and drop your lead based on if they're actually warm, if they're hot, if they're clients, if they're cold, they're lost, and whatnot. So you have catalog. Catalog is where you add your products, your pricing, how much discount you want to put in, your description, and then you add it. So once you're done with it, your catalog is going to show right here. So let me just add one, so we can just see an example. So you can see the catalog is going to show right here. You can always edit or delete it. Now we have the invoicing. So for the invoice, this is where you can create an invoice. Your AI can also create the invoice for you. Like these two invoices were created by the agent. So you have your payment tracking, where you can see a particular unique code your agent is going to give to the user or to your lead, so that they can be able to make the payment and then send it. So this code is going to be added to the receipts, right? They're going to add it to the receipt, and then agents can be able to read the receipt, check for the amount, check for the the narration if this code is there, and then confirm the payment for the user. So this is your invoice template where you can customize your business based on how you want your business to actually look like. So we currently have the sequence. The sequence is your auto follow up. So you can set up an auto follow up. You can set up abandon lead recovery. So you just choose the system prompt from Meta, right? A Meta template. We're going to work on this. So just choose a Meta template for it. Once you have a Meta template, automatically, right? There's a video on how to set up your message template, right? Watch the video on setting up a message template. Once you've added it, it's going to show up here. Your post purchase sales, you can also use a Meta template for it. Testimonial collection also requires a Meta template. Once you're done, you can always turn them on. You can turn them off depending on which you actually want to. So you have your email and system where you get a daily emails of what's actually going on in your platform. So you can enroll each user based on the status that they fall under, either their new leads, their warm, their hot, their cold, based on their status, or you can just enroll them based on individual found on your lead dashboard, right? So you currently have another option to enroll leads. So you can, all the leads enrolled rather, you're going to see it right here. So this is where you set up your follow-up step based on Meta approve step, and then you save it. So just choose a template from the template section and then you save it. So you can always re-engage a lead who went silent for a particular duration of time, and then you have here your referral follow-up automation at the same time. So we also have insights. Under insight, you can see your list, your deal that were lost. So you can also see your win and loss rates, and then you can see an A/B script testing where you can test two different variations of a sales, or you can generate it with AI for AI to generate it for you. So we also have here your playbook, which we've talked about, and then there is settings. Under settings, you can add an AI lead scorer. You can add an AI an auto follow-up sequence. So this is a double case. We're going to remove this one. You have your AI image reader. What this actually does is your AI agent can be able to read an image that is sent to it. So once a user sends an image, it can read that image for you. You have your AI invoicing, where your AI agent can send an invoice for you in PDF via WhatsApp. You have AI pipeline auto movement. So this is your pipeline. Your AI can actually make the movement for you. There's an AI sales navigator. There is an auto payment confirmation. You have your AI voice and video transcription. So what this does is that if a user sends a voice note, your AI can actually listen to the voice note and respond. If a user sends a video, your AI can actually listen to the video and respond. So you also have your auto payment confirmation, where the AI can read your payment and accept payment on your behalf. So there is the negotiation incentive, where you can decide to say, okay, give this amount of discount and whatnot to enable the AI to know how to negotiate with user. We have our buyer intent key phrase, which once a user puts in that particular key phrase, they move the lead automatically to a hot lead. So you have your objection response. So let's take, for instance, somebody say it's too expensive, or they say something like, I'll get back to you. Right, so we're most likely going to get that. So you want to ensure that you can choose your objection based on price or whatever general, and then you put something here that is going to, the AI is going to pick this objection response and respond and send it to the user. So you can just use an auto fire so that I can just pick it directly and then send it to the user. So then there's a paystack integration where you can integrate your paystack, turn it on, and then receive all your payments. So we created a playground. The playground is where you can test your AI agent and see how your AI agent is actually responding. You can also train your AI agent directly based on the kind of response that you actually want the AI agent to give to you. So you can see right here, and then you have your option to train your AI agent and then save that training into your data. So this is everything about the sales intelligence. If there's anything we're going to be adding new, we are going to also let you know. Now you've learned and see the power of the AI workforce agent. This is one agent that makes JohaHQ very effective for businesses to be able to increase their revenue. So if you're a business owner, now is the best time for you to sign up on JohaHQ. To get started, visit www.johahq.com. If you have further questions or inquiry, you can drop them in the comment section or email us at hi@johahq.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.